So you want to film better videos but don't know how to. Here's my top 5 tips on getting those cinematic shots.
I just can't beat it. You're something special. But damn, it's stressful. Cause you keep sending sign after sign, but I can't beat you. You hit my mention, then leave me.
Alright guys, so today is Saturday and I'm here with Alex, my brother Justin, and Pat, and we're also gonna meet up with Kenny later because we're on a sort of a sunrise mission. It's kind of sunrise now, but yeah, we're gonna do some photo and video, and yeah, I want to bring you guys along. Let's get to it. Oh my gosh. Morning.
No, I was out with them.
Hey bro. Morning.
Hey, man.
Good to see you again.
For sure, for sure.
It's such a long time. We are still about 6 minutes away from the dam itself. I wanted to kind of explore the bendy roads around here, especially during sunrise, so we got some side lighting and it looks quite incredible. But yeah, Pat finally got his new camera. Looks good, looks good. Oh yeah, where's your camera?
Oh yeah. Busted it out.
He pretty much got the upgraded version of what I have, so he has the XT4, and it's just as crazy for video and photos. Tip number 1 is camera movement. So you don't just want to grab your camera and kind of pan left to right, right to left. You actually want to move in space, forwards, back, left, and right. And another way to accentuate this is to have foreground and background elements. That way your viewer really knows that your camera is moving. So, okay, before we go to tip number 2, let's catch up with the guys over there and see what they're getting up to. Let's go. So yeah, we've been trying to find a nice stretch of road. This actually looks really nice.
Cause you keep sending sign after sign, but I can't beat you. You're something special. But damn, it's stressful. Cause you keep sending sign after sign, but I can't beat you. You hit my mention, then leave me guessing. Yeah, you keep sending.
Whoa!
It's alright, he has a better grip now. Let's go.
I got that in slow-mo. All right, so we got the crew out here. We're making our way up this road. There's like a really nice bend, some night light rays. So yeah, definitely gonna get some nice shots here. And we'll move on to the next tip. All right, so tip number 2 is to shoot in soft lighting. So right now it's kind of a little bit past golden hour, but that's the best time to shoot. Sunrise, sunset, and even an underrated time is blue hour. So that's literally before sunrise and after sunset, where it starts to get very pink, purpley, blue, and you get the best footage from that time of the day. So yeah, shoot in soft lighting. So we're done here at the Bendy Roads. We're now gonna head over to the Corin Dam for our next location. So see you there and I'll share you my next tip. Hey Joss, look at your door. You took all the grass with you, bro.
On your face, can't look what you hate, but deep down you know what I know. That you didn't find love that way. Oh, you've been gone for way too long.
Tip number 3 is to expose creatively. Notice how I didn't say it properly, because for a bright day like this, you might want it extra light, bright for that happier mood and feeling, right? But then let's say it's towards sunset, you might want to underexpose, expose for the sky. That way you can see the warm pink, orange sunset hues. And so, yeah, you don't always have to follow the rule book. You can overexpose if you want, underexpose, whatever serves your story. So yeah, expose creatively.
Patiently, you feel you're stuck somewhere in between. The way it seems it was meant to be. Wondering how this could go differently. Yeah, in a way, stain on your face. Can't look what you hate.
Turns out it's the wrong way. Back that way.
But you didn't find love that way. You've been gone for way too long. A vision
have a wild Pat getting the shot for the gram. So, as you can see, we made it to the bottom of the dam, and we got Pat there shooting long exposure. We got a few of the other guys here shooting portraits. I think he's taking photos of me. But yeah, let's move on to tip number 4, and that is to use a lens with a lower f-stop. Now, it's not just so you can get a blurry background, but it allows you to isolate your subject. That way, if there's anything going around them, your viewer is not distracted by it. So, aside from that as well, you can get some really dreamy-like footage. It really depends on what you're trying to film, but also as long as it serves the purpose of your story, then I highly recommend shooting with a lens that has a lower f-stop. That's tip number 4 for you. Pat, what did you get? Let's see your shots. Scared of like tripping. Yeah. Maybe I'll put it on screen. Oh, that looks so nice. That's so cool. Tip number 5 is to use slow motion. Now I know that's an unpopular opinion and I kind of overuse it in the past 4 years traveling and whatnot, but it just makes everything look so graceful. It really depends on your story and what you're trying to film and how you're going to edit it. Definitely try use slow motion, whether it's just 50 frames and if you can 100 frames or more, and have fun with it. So yeah, that's my top 5 tips to getting those cinematic shots. I really hope you learned a lot from this video. Let me know if you'd like more content like this. And yeah, we had such a fun time coming out to Corin Dam and even just exploring outside there for a little bit. So yeah, go out there, start shooting, and see you in the next video.